Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Welcome. In this task, we will format blog headings in order to make content easier to read and to make our blog SEO friendly. You should already have a WordPress account and you should be logged in with your website loaded in order to edit it. If you have not logged in and loaded your website editor, pause the video now to log into your WordPress account and load your website. Let's go back to the home page or dashboard, and on the menu to the left, choose the posts link under the site. Let's create a new post. Click on Add New Post. We are now in the editor. We are going to copy and paste the text from the Word document in the folder on your desktop titled Increase SEO Traffic with WordPress. Let's open that document. Here's the title, Increase SEO with WordPress. While we wait for the text to load, we are going to highlight the title and copy and paste the title into WordPress. So highlight, right-click, copy, go back to the new blog post. So click on the page that we minimized, right-click and paste. Now we have our title of our blog. Let's make sure that it is set as an H1 header. Click on the text area or click on it to make sure that it's selected, and then we can go to block. When we go to block, you can see that no block is selected. So we know that this is set as a header and WordPress defaults to H1 as the setting. Click on the text area underneath the title, go back to the document. The Word document, copy the entire body of the text. So we are going to highlight all of the rest of the text. Doesn't look like we've got it all. We are going to make this view a little bit smaller so that we can see all of the text. Now let's copy all of the text. You do not need to copy the title again. Right-click, copy, go back to the post, right-click, paste. Now let's pull out subheadings to break up the body of the blog. Headings are rated H1 to H6, H1 being the most important. Web crawlers use headings to determine relevancy of the site's content in a search. The H1 tag should also contain a focus keyword for the blog, which we used in the title. Other subheadings at the H2 and H3 level can also include keywords, but should not be crammed with keywords. There is definitely a balance required when using keywords and headers. Let's add our first header as an H2 header under the first paragraph. It will read early bicycles, so hover and then click to add the header. Click on the plus, click heading. Notice that it defaults to H2 and then type early bicycles. With the text still selected, click on the paragraph symbol in the toolbar. So if your text were not set to H2, we would want to go ahead and select it and your paragraph symbol would be here. So to change the heading level, notice that you have your heading levels. We are going to leave it at H2. Let's add two additional headers following the same process. The second header will go under the third major paragraph that ends with the date 1891. Here, same process, plus add a heading. We are going to use the following text. Make sure it's set to H2 and mid-century bicycles. Notice that you can also set the heading level in your block editor to the right and you can make additional changes to your font size. Finally, the last header should be added just before the paragraph that begins with in recent years. Scroll down in recent years, find the plus, click on it, click heading H2. So double check that Then go ahead and type bicycles are today. We have now added heading to our blog or headings to our blog, which will help web crawlers index our websites and increase our visibility in relevant searches. If you need more time to complete this task, pause the video now. In this task, we formatted blog headings in order to make content easier to read to make our blog SEO friendly.